and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Hi there. Welcome back to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And today we have a something a little bit off track. We've been doing a lot of French toast, and instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. I actually have had a lot of compliments on my pizza. It's something that people request when they talk to me. Hey, can you bring some pizza? You know, I'd like to come over when you're making pizza. Can you teach me how to make pizza? So today what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to make pizza. But because a really good friend of mine has been asking and begging for me to teach him how to make pizza, I'm going to have Charles Chudabala join us once again, and we're going to teach him how to make pizza. Come on, Charles.
Hey! Oh, pizza night! Finally! Thank you. So you're gonna teach me?
I'm gonna teach you how to make pizza.
So
Today,
excited.
I'm gonna teach you how to make my pizza.
Okay.
It might not be the normal pizza. Okay, no, it's not gonna look like French toast.
Okay. Oh, this is not a French toast pizza?
This is not a French toast pizza.
Ooh.
This is an actual pizza.
Okay, dude. It's game
Some a little bit
changer.
different.
Yeah,
Some a
game
little bit
changer.
different.
Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna try to have something for dinner.
Awesome.
And
Yeah.
then dessert will be all the French toast.
Oh,
We'll just
wow.
have lots of French
Oh,
toast dessert.
God, everything.
But, so basically what I do is I don't make my own crust. I buy a pre-made crust. I like the thick crust, and I use a 9x12 cake pan.
Ooh.
Okay?
Awesome.
I'll spray it down with some cooking spray first. And then I open up my, you ever open these?
It
are
scares
fun.
me. It
These
scares
are-
me.
Okay.
It's so crazy.
So then I'll do it for you.
All right.
All right. So, but yeah.
Oh my God, he's gonna do it right
This
next
is the
to me.
jump scare.
No, don't.
This is the jump scare of today's,
Oh my God.
today's show. We'll have the jump scare.
Oh my God.
All right. That actually was weak.
It was weak.
So we should write
Oh,
a letter
God.
to someone because it should have been way better than that.
I'm
I
so-
have had them where they are quite scary.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
it's pretty simple to use this. We just unroll it, right?
Oh yeah.
And then we put it in the pan and we push it out to the edges.
Easy.
Not hard,
Easy.
right?
Yeah.
Right? And the hard part is all the rest of it. Mm-hmm. Okay. So what I like to do is just finger push it down in there so we get all the corners down in there and everything, right?
I'm gonna try a
Sure,
little
sure.
bit of finger pushing here.
Yep.
Yeah, it's different from a spreader.
Yes,
Now my fingers are becoming the spreader.
Yeah.
All right. Oh,
Been watching
yeah.
old episodes, I see.
Dude, I love how it feels. It's almost like Play-Doh. Yeah. Or clay.
Clay.
You know?
Dough.
Play-Doh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to let the corners fold over a little bit. That gives you the crust of the pizza. So we'll get that nice little edge there. So the trick to pizza is, of course, the dough, okay, and then the sauce. So
Yes.
those are the two tricks. A lot of people will buy store-bought sauce, and there is nothing wrong with store-bought sauce. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to doctor up store-bought sauce, okay? So I get the standard classic tomato store-bought sauce.
Yeah, I'm good with just that. Usually. I mean,
Okay.
I am.
Well, let's dress it up a little bit.
Ooh.
Okay.
I'm excited. Yeah.
And we're going to take a teaspoon of parsley.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We're going to add that in there. We've got sweet basil. Okay.
Okay.
We're going to add that.
Oh, wow. Smells amazing. Smells amazing.
Oregano. We're going to add some oregano. And I only want to use half of that. Okay. I don't want to use all of it for right now.
Okay, you're gonna.
We'll put a little bit on top when we're all finished. Okay. There's a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. I went half and half for a full teaspoon. I only want to use half of this as well, and we're going to put this on top after we're done. Okay? So then we're going to just take these two guys, we're going to mix them together. That's going to be our topping when we're finished. Okay?
Wow. That's awesome.
All right, so once we have additional seasonings in our classic store-bought sauce, then I also add in about half a can of chopped olives. And there's a reason behind the olives, which is the oil and the texture of the olive is going to change the flavor of the sauce. Okay?
This is new. This is definitely, I'm not used to ever seeing this process. This is, now, is that common to add olives to sauce like this, or is this something you've just done, mainly?
I have had lots of pizza sauce that has olives in it, but personally, I do like the texture and the taste that the olives add to the sauce. And what this is going to do is, even if somebody says, oh, I don't want to put olives on top of my pizza, I don't like the way they look, they're black, they're nasty, they're big, this will still get you that rich flavor in the sauce.
Got it.
And people who don't like olives generally don't even pick up that it's in the sauce. They like the flavor, they go, I don't know what's in there, it tastes really good. If you said there was olives, then they spit it out. So if I've tricked you on that in the past, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I hate lying.
Yeah. Well, it's not really lying. It's lying.
It's okay.
So stir it really, really good, right? Because we want to make sure that we have all the way through.
So it's combined.
Yeah. So we have all the way through all the flavors, and you can just smell it.
I was just gonna say that right now. I want the pizza now. I probably could just eat the sauce. It smells so good.
That.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. No. We should make the whole pizza first.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Unless you want to. When we're done, I'll get you a straw.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
But right now, the idea here, and I'll let you do it. I want a thin layer of tomato sauce over the whole thing.
Just thin.
Thin.
So would I be dumping all of this in there, or just?
No. You
Okay.
won't. But that's how we get the size of the mixture. So just give me a thin layer and then smear it around with the fork like it's a paintbrush. Let's see.
Something like this, maybe.
A little bit more. Yeah.
A little bit more.
Yep.
Okay. I've never made pizza before.
Well, today will be your day.
Oh,
Try not to get it on the sides.
A little too much on that side right there.
You're going to need a little bit more. Probably about double what you've done so far. Right, 2, 3, right there.
Okay.
Let me take this away from you before you go crazy.
Thank you, yeah. I was about to go crazy on that
I
sauce.
know, I can tell.
I love sauce. I'm one of those people that asks for extra sauce on my pizza. I just love sauce. And sometimes even cheeseless pizza, as long as there's lots of sauce on it. I'm a sauce kind of person.
You sound a little saucy.
I did. Yeah, dude.
You actually did.
Huge, on condiments, and just, I want my bottle of hot sauce next to me. I want, I want extra teriyaki. When I have a teriyaki burger, I like a dip,
To the edges.
Oh.
To the edges.
Sorry.
Try to get it. I mean, you're talking, but you're not even, the fork's not even touching the sauce.
All right. So.
Let's put a little bit more in there, sauce boy. Let's get a little bit right there. There you go.
You know that phrase, easy as pie?
Oh, pizza pie.
This is not easy as pie. But you know what? I got a good teacher. Yeah.
All right, so get it to the corner there.
Okay, right there to the edge.
Yep, and all the way up. Come on.
All the way. Just like that.
This is a 12-step process. We're on step 1.
Well, you know what? I won't forget it, guys. I won't forget it. Here it is.
All right.
How's that?
That looks great. That looks great. So, I think you got me in the eye with the sauce. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm immune to it.
Yeah.
All right. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put a layer of pepperoni on the sauce.
Oh, so fun.
This will be fun.
I love
nice even rows. What are you doing? No, even rows.
Even rows?
Yeah, try to be symmetrical.
Okay. So that meaning you want them side by side?
There you go, like that.
Just like a...
Oh my goodness, that looks great.
Wow.
Do you want me to help? Here, let me do.
I'll do the other.
I'll do the other side.
Organized and structured. This is like, when you're in
This
school.
is the O in OCD.
Thank you for saying it.
Yeah. Okay.
We were all
right.
thinking it.
Everybody was thinking
I
it.
didn't know
I could tell.
I was just.
You could tell. Okay. All right. You,
like,
you owe
keep
me
your-
6.
Keep your hand raised and I'll come around to you. I will come around to you. This is exactly, yeah. All right. Oh, they are literally the same amount as well. I see what you did there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, are you into even numbers, Tom? Like, do you like the correct change to be given to you? He's not responding.
Okay. All right. So here is what it is going to look like before we put any cheese on it.
Oh, so okay. Now this is interesting.
Right. That's why I told you there's more steps.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do. So this is mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella pizza cheese. Give me a layer. Let's see. Here we go.
Look at
Here
that.
we go.
Look at that. You see that?
Using
I'm
your
being
karate,
generous.
your karate hand.
my karate hand.
You're using
Exactly.
Okay, so get that nice and
just like putting it a layer. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
generous helping.
yeah.
This
Okay,
is-
now I know you're already good at this because I've seen you do it.
Right.
Put another layer of pepperoni.
Oh yes, check it out. Check this out, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. And we are going to symmetrically place these side by side
Nice,
until the entire
nice.
row is complete.
Nice. See, the student has become the teacher.
Hey, School of Pepperoni.
Yeah. I have my certification in pepperoni. I do.
You know, it's funny. I used to love just pepperoni pizza, and then I started liking, like Hawaiian, and I found out that not a lot of people like the ham and pineapple pizza. You know?
That's actually really good. I do like it. I like
You
chicken
do?
and pineapple pizza
Ooh,
too.
that's also really,
That's really good.
Yeah. You know, the beautiful thing about pizza is you don't have to make it just one way.
No, you can make it lots of ways. So the way that we started this up until we got to the cheese, you can put your different toppings on top of it, and you've still got your ham, your Canadian bacon, your pineapple, your chicken, whatever you want to put on top. You
Yeah.
want to put tofu, you want to
Oh,
put
yeah.
some crazy stuff on there. You
love
can do that.
tofu.
You
Love
can do
tofu.
that. You want to make sure that you don't have any sauce up here on the edges because
Okay.
that'll burn and it just gets all stinky and
Right,
stuff.
right.
And then what I like to do is I like to just sprinkle just a little bit of cheese over the top.
yes.
So the pepperoni is going to give you the oil, and then the cheese itself is going to, of course, give you that nice, fancy flavor. All right, so it is ready for the oven. I put the oven at 400 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to put it in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to keep checking on it, and we will drop this in the oven, and we'll see what we got in about 15 minutes.
All right. Ooh, only 15 minutes?
Only 15
So
minutes.
quick and easy. So quick and easy.
All right, so what do you think?
I think we should open up the oven and pull out that pizza.
And check it out?
Yes, and be careful, it's hot. So we always want to use some type of oven mitt or a towel.
Yeah, use the
Like
dish
that
towel.
works. Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh my God. Tom, I think I'm coming over here for pizza night. Wow.
We have pizza all the time over here, so you're
That
welcome.
cheese.
Now, take that.
Oh, yes.
And you're going to pinch that and sprinkle it over the top.
Okay. All right. Just like feeding the fish, you know?
Just like feeding the fish. But this is just kind of a garnish that I put over
Yeah.
the top. It has a little bit of oregano, a little bit of parsley,
Wow.
a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of garlic powder.
That is beautiful. It really just,
All right, so I think at this point what we should do is we should cut this up
yeah.
and have lunch.
Oh, let's do it.
You want it?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. Thank you guys. We appreciate you guys checking out Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley and today Charles Chudabala. And again, if you need any recipe information on this, it'll be in the comments below. But we do enjoy sharing our recipes with you. So, well, till next time.